For home use, a DC power connection is more convenient. It doesn't require much power. So just fit a female socket and use a 12V power supply for the air inlet and outlet. Simply use a pagoda connector. This is more convenient and robust. Full power is required when evacuating, but oxygenation does not always require such high power. So a PWM speed control module can be fitted when installing the DC connector. I made a box using a 3D printer. You can first plug a male connector into the female socket to aid positioning from the outside, making installation much easier. Run the cable outwards first once everything is in place. Refit the DC connector. Remember to slip the nut, washer, and heat shrink tubing onto the cable beforehand, so ensure the cable is long enough to prevent short circuits between the metal parts. On either side of the speed control module, I wrap them a few times with high-temperature tape for insulation. Once installed, there are 2 input ports and 2 output ports, all clearly labeled. Connectors in at the same time. It says 12V on the unit, so you shouldn't get them mixed up. Testing the oxygenation function. The bubbles are plentiful and the oxygenation works perfectly. For vacuuming, set the speed control to the highest setting, position it correctly, and it draws air in very quickly just like when it was brand new. It works brilliantly for vacuum sealing bags. English.